Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to keep your laptop's display from sleeping. Now, the easiest way to reach the settings you need is to right-click this battery icon, then go into power settings, then select screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts, and now you can change the time after which your laptop's display will go to sleep, just by clicking right here and changing the time to let's say 1 hour, so that so when my device is plugged in right now, it will only turn the screen off after 1 hour of standby. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.